I previously posted a video just talking about how my Fox live valve system has stopped working. It's just getting this blinking on the battery, and I didn't really know what to do. There's only one place on the whole internet that I even found that you can buy a new controller, and it doesn't even say it's a controller. It says it's a battery. I had looked into buying the whole kit on eBay, which is really expensive. I was able to find the email address for customer service. It's this servicenv@ridefox.com. And I very quickly got an email back from Jeff N., service writer, and he said that it seems like it's the controller and told me to check the plugs and things like that. So that's what I did. Long story short, I didn't seem to be getting any connection between the controller, which turns out to be the little mount on the bike, and any of the sensors or the plugs that connect to them. I was getting full voltage from the battery. Okay, and after I did all that, I got back to him and let him know what I found and gave him a copy of the little diagram I had made. Again, I wasn't looking for anything for free. I just didn't know where to buy the parts I needed. And Jeff wrote back, said that it looks like it's a charger, and he said that it was something that he could give me, and actually did send it to me under warranty for free. I was absolutely stunned. Amazing, great service, and so happy with that. It came with a new screw, and this mounts the controller to the frame. There's some more clips that clip the wires to the cables, which I don't need. But it's interesting. It has this box, which was confusing to me when I saw it on the internet. This is simply a hollow box, but it does have waterproofing on it. So if you're using your bike without the battery, this will protect the electronics in here, which apparently they're electronics. I don't know. I mean, it seems like it's simply a connector for these pins to connect it to this battery unit, but apparently there's more in there, and that's what went wrong with mine. I'm going to put this on the bike. I'll do that right now and let you see how that's done. These are the components of the live valve system. This is the battery, and it's connected to the controller here. And we've got these plugs. There's one on the rear shock. There's one on the front fork. And then there's two sensors. You can see it hiding back in there. There's one. And then there's another one right here on the bridge. And those are connected. There's a connection here. There's one connection there. And the other one is connected actually in this bike. It's like right in here. So when I take this off, I can unplug it and plug it back in. So let's put the new controller on and see if that fixes our problem. I just cobbled the new one in here temporarily because I want to see if it fixes the problem. Alright, moment of truth. Hey! That light was always burned out for some reason, but it works. I can hear the actuators or solenoids or whatever they are in the thing working. All right, good. So now I just need to run these wires through. That's not too tough. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. Well, I don't think it'd be impossible to thread this back up through here and out here. It'd probably use there's probably an access panel here which would help kind of pull it through there. What I'm going to do is tie a piece of string on the end of this as I pull it out. so that I've got my string and I should be able to pull the new one back through there. Let's give that a try. Okay, there's my string. Now I'm going to hook this does say front fork on it, so I'm going to hook the new one on, just pull it back up through there. I tried stuffing one at a time and they got sort of bound up on each other. I've got all three of them here, and I'm just going to try to pull them together up through this tube. Okay, yikes, this is a little harder than I thought. Make sure that you run your string so you get both sides, so you're not just below here, because it'll get stuck there. There's a lot of cables running through here, so tweezers helps. That's my tip. Okay, got it all back together, calibrated it, gonna take it for a ride. If I'm honest, it was a little harder to fish those wires back up through here. It was kind of fussy. Biggest tip I can, I guess, suggest is that make sure you tie your string in two parts of this end here. Don't just tie it around here, because it'll get up to the end and then it'll bend over. Make sure you also tie the tip. Don't just tie the tip, because the string will come off.